Nobody
This is
really
what
cares.
I give it to you, just as how it is. Nobody cares for you. Nobody cares for you. Put it in the back of your head. You have to care for yourself. They're only acting like they care for you, to use you, to get what you have because they find out, say, you're a nice person. You're a sweetheart. You're lovable. They're just gonna use you and toss you away like garbage. Nobody cares. Nobody cares for you. In a difficult time, you see them. You see them in a difficult time. You see them in a stress. You see them when things now go good. No, you don't see them that time there. You see them when the water run out of the well. No, because from them city water go down, them a head to another well. Yes, don't be fool, my sister. Don't be fool. Stop. Make them spin you around in a web. Get it into your head. And listen to me. It's not only the people them where they beside you, all the one them around associate with you. Even them you one when a social media. They are only for themselves, my sister. Yes. Yes. Don't be fool.